Thank you for watching. This is gonna be another episode with my friend 𝗙𝗢𝗟𝗪, and he's also visiting us and say, Carlos, I wanna check out listings, hunting opportunity and business. But today, I have a special trip. We have a special house today, which was recently built.
Yeah.
Sometimes people ask me what kind of building quality you have in Nicaragua. Can I really get somebody to do a home, or can you find me a house with that concept? Modern, updated, different, stylish.
Upscale.
So thank you guys for coming today. We are going to visit a property that is located just 5 minutes away from Remanso Beach.
Yep.
And we just visited Remanso Beach, and he loved it.
Yeah.
Actually said, wow, look at this. You were not expecting Remanso Beach.
No, private little bay in there, nice little road, brand new road going in there.
Totally. You're gonna see us driving around with the new road, and it's also the new coastal road that's gonna straight go to Costa Rica from here. From here, probably it's gonna be like around 1 hour away. But anyway, let's go and check this place out. Look at this, Jin. Open.
Yeah.
Totally open concept. Look at the kitchen. How about this?
Yeah, nice center island gathering spot.
Oh, and what is it here? Push. We'll see. He's doing a good job, He's actually climatizing to Nicaragua right now. Oh, dude, this is really cool. Look.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4 outlets right there. I never saw this here. This is very popular right now in the state, right?
Yeah, yep.
So you push it, done. Huge island. I like this beautiful piece. And underneath we have the, let's see.
Oh, nice storage under.
There you go, more storage. You have plenty of storage right here. I mean, I was not really expecting to find in the mountain this beautiful concept home. Look at this, all open. The tiles, it looks like color of the wood as well. The lamps right on the corner to accent that idea. And look at this. This is what's going on today. This is what people are looking.
Yep.
Something completely, updated using this type of slats of wood. How you call these things? This beautiful. Oh, sorry. No worries.
Come on in.
Yeah. he's the builder. But right now he's running away.
This is the guy with all the concepts.
Fast. You saw him on the last video. Roberto, he's the one who did it. Bye-bye, Roberto. Thank you.
Too much information.
Too much information. So that was great. So Robert built this place, and you can tell. Also, his wife decorated the idea with these beautiful lamps hanging. Look at this design, brother. That's really cool.
Yes.
That's actually nice.
Really nice.
Perfect. And double space here. Then you have behind us the stove. Perfect. More space for shelves, more stuff. And the concept, the design, the brown color with this wood is stylish, and then the counter is just perfect.
Right.
One thing I was talking to the builder, and you were talking to him earlier, is about the system they have here to protect.
Which they don't have a lot of that here, but this is the ground fault indicator, which is mandatory in America.
Mm-hmm.
So if you were like say in the bathtub and somebody threw the radio in there, it immediately kills the power. You can't shock yourself, or if you overload it, you got 4 or 5 things that take a lot of power.
Wow.
Instead of overheating the wires, it kills the power. It'll pop that out.
Oh,
no more power, so you can't burn your house down due to electricity.
That's an extra protection device to cut out the electrical line and power, and that way you don't worry about it. You hear that, guys? So actually, the builder and the owner thought to put something modern, updated. Keep in consideration how many things you need to pass an inspection. So basically, the house was designed and built with some American code for a potential inspection. So if you come into Nicaragua and say, Carlos, do you do inspection? That is up to the buyers, actually. Many customers say, Carlos, how that works in Nicaragua? Everyone can hire an architect, independent architect or engineer, and they can come to see the place and do an inspection just to be sure that everything is running right. In this case, you can tell the builder kept all those ideas and follow up the checklist.
Yep.
So it's a big plus for this house.
Yep.
I like the sense of the center is high ceiling. And
vaulted ceiling.
Yeah, and look at the details. The ceiling fan is industrial, modern, with its own, designer. Look at that.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Yep.
That's beautiful. Also, you don't feel too hot.
No.
You know why? Because the builder said to me, Carlos, over 3 inches or a little bit more is insulation.
Yeah.
And also the roof is a special roof with some kind of millimeter
sound deadening.
And some special paint that also reduce the sense of the heat.
Yep.
So there's a combination between high ceiling, insulation, and a special metal roof to reduce the heat.
And also the noise, he said.
And the noise.
When it's raining, he said you don't really even
You don't really feel it.
Yeah.
So now we're talking about these beautiful homes. It's 3 bedrooms and three and a half bathrooms. So let's see one of the bedrooms is right here. Coming here with this beautiful arch. Look at this. And on the left, on the right,
two matching bedrooms.
2 master bedrooms, which is another plus.
Yep.
So please, my friend,
yes,
let us know what we can find here.
Yes. Nice, big, beautiful bathroom in here with solid glass doors, tile from ceiling to floor. Mm-hmm. And with this here, he might have been a European desire. We got the bidet in here.
Oh, yeah, already built in.
Yeah, bidet. Then you
don't push it.
No.
No, you don't want to get an accident. So that's something I never saw in one toilet, both systems together. That's actually really cool. So look at this. Here, what they did, independent light system. So switches, and you can turn off one and keep the other one if you read in the book, or keep both if you want. So evidently, you center the mattress right here. The AC is on the side.
Yes.
And you can have a beautiful,
nice big window right here.
Big window, vertical sliding doors with nets. So from here you can see the outside where the parking is located. So
and he installed the USB plug-ins here.
Oh yeah.
On here.
Oh,
so you got your USB plug and your mini C plug.
Wow, this is updated or what?
Yeah, that's nice.
It's definitely, that's very good. That's a good plus. Look at that. You know, another thing, the builder was talking about the solar panel system.
Yeah, he's got solar panels and battery backup.
Can we see that thing right now?
Yeah, right back here.
Let's go see it, yeah.
Oh, we got to go through the secret doorway.
Secret doorway? Yeah. Oh, yes, true.
Yeah.
Okay, see, Betty, check this out. Look at this, guys. Look at the concept and the color and the decoration and the composition. Here, they let the niche for the double bed fridge. But this, it has a water supplies independent line.
Yep.
So you said it's a secret door? So, where's the half bathroom, my friend?
Right here, right where your guests can easily access your half bathroom. Right here, you're visiting. They don't have to go to the bathrooms and the bedrooms.
The toilet has exactly the same system.
Yep.
Call it bidet. Bidet.
Yep.
Well, if you know, there you go. It's even the half bathroom has it.
Yep.
So everyone is included. Okay. Anyway, coming to the rooms. One of the rooms. This one is probably. Well, it looks like every room is almost the same.
Yeah, this one might be a little bit bigger. And this might be the master suite also. It's got the big walk-in closet added into here. And another beautiful bathroom.
Another beautiful bathroom.
Yeah.
With some leaf drawings.
Yeah, these tiles in here are like custom. Them are very nice.
Very nice. Look at this. This is definitely the master room because look at this. On the side you have this extra windows.
King size bed.
King size bed. Another window, sliding doors, overlooking the swimming pool.
Yeah.
And then an extra detail. I like when they put these hanging lamps like this. You set up the mattress right there, walk-in closet like Gene said, and nice size bathroom.
Yeah.
So this is definitely the main one. So what is left, we have to go and take a look out.
The pool and the
pool. Let's go and see it.
All right.
Let's go. Hunting with Mr. Gene 𝗙𝗪𝗟.
Ready, yes, ready. Let's go, action.
Let's go, action.
Yeah. Here we are at the pool. First thing to mention about this pool, which blew me away, I gotta mention, is these tiles. It's hot, the sun is shining. You come out here barefoot, oh, guess what? You don't even feel the heat on your feet because these tiles reflect all heat and don't absorb any heat.
How about that?
That sounds made up, but it's completely true.
It is true. Actually, we were walking around the edge of there, and I was telling him, look, touch it with your hands.
Yeah.
No
heat.
No heat.
No heat.
No heat.
Nope. I never even heard of such a thing.
No way. And the water under the sun,
yeah.
You would never complain under 20 below.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I got it. I got it. Never,
Right.
never. That's actually very cool pool design. It's a T, like a T. Yeah,
Yep.
it looks like a T. And from here, you got the ocean.
The ocean view through the jungle. That's the valley right here. You want to feel like you're in the jungle? This is it right here.
That's the one.
Yeah.
That's the one. You know, Gene, another thing before to forget, people ask me, Carlos, what's the asking price? What's the asking price? The asking price of this beautiful property sitting on this nice lot size is $399,900,000. And that includes everything you see. You have 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, solar panel, air conditioning in every room, beautiful design,
beautiful,
well finished system at the back of the house. You're gonna see it on the video. And all the landscaping, everything's just ready. Your parking sites with beautiful plants for like cactus, perfect for this kind of environment. Always stay there. And the gravel here with some design. If it rains, it doesn't splash, it's catch by the gravel right here. Beautiful tiles, pastel color, keep a nice, soft and modern idea.
Yes.
But one more thing. Next to us, there's an extra lot also for sale for $29,900. And if you say, Carlos, what about if I buy the whole package? If you buy the whole package, then we can give you a deal. I will talk to the seller and find out what can we do for you. If you say, Carlos, I like the whole thing. You may buy and keep the property and probably do something else there for outdoor barbecue or more place for you, another entertainment place.
Yes.
I mean, facility. I don't know. Or you build another home.
Right. Yep.
What you will do?
I would build another home myself.
There you go.
Yep.
For rental.
Yep.
For
absolutely. Because this is hot area right here. This is.
It is.
Yes.
There you go. So let's continue looking around, guys. Come
all right.
on. Brother, thank you.
Another beautiful home, Carlos.
Another beautiful day,
yes,
too, brother.
Absolutely.
Thank you for coming. So now you understand why Gene is being searching, looking around, because he want to be sure that that is real.
It's real.
And it's real.
It's real.
Well, thank you for watching. Thank you, Betty and Mauricio behind the camera. Thank you, my friend Jim, who's been terrific with that great energy, looking around with us on new listing that we're going to have in all the social media. This home comes with 3 bedrooms,
3.5 bath, yep,
swimming pool, solar panels. And if you want a whole package, an extra lot is also can be negotiated and you can buy the whole thing. Only 5 minutes away from
the beach,
Remanso Beach. And maybe 7-8 minutes from San Juan del Sur village. So don't forget, I want to see you.
Yes, on the next adventure.